Alright, boys. We headed to another. We're gonna go try and see if we can find some turkeys. It's early. We're headed out. Let's go do it. What the? No cap.
They come on behind me. I had to shoot him right there. Still a few more gobblers. We're gonna be quiet for a minute. Let them get out of here. Holy crap. Two. Holy moly. Well, let me go get him. There's another turkey out there. Yeah. Yeah. So literally, the turkeys, and my decoys right here, and I was set up right here on this cedar tree. The turkeys were roosted right there this morning. Well, they pitched down and they walked that ditch, and I had a turkey come up right here, a hen, and they almost got away. Let's go take a look at it. Oh, take a peek at this sucker right here. There goes the jakes and the other turkeys. They dipped out. What a turkey, man. What a turkey. Holy crap. End the year. What a good one. Got some decent little spurs. I shot a dang beard off. Oh no, I didn't. Here it is. Decent little beard. No spur right there. 2-year-old spur, ivory spur right there. God, what a pretty bird. What a pretty turkey, man. He's small. He acted big though. I mean, he got a big old noggin. Oh me, what a bird. That's crazy. There were so many turkeys gobbling this morning. Unreal, they're still gobbling way off. They're gobbling everywhere. But that's gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna do some pictures and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, there wasn't much of the sign. I mean, they didn't come when they're supposed to. Look, we'll show you again. So like, turkeys roosted them last night right there. I got here this morning at 5 and they were gobbling already. So I had to sneak I was gonna get in there close, but since they were already gobbling, I snuck around this bench, popped up right here, and then beelined it to this cedar tree and laid down right in there, figuring they'd walk up that hill. You know, I had my decoy right in front of me. Well, the hens took them left, but they come up the hill, but they come up on the wrong side, and I couldn't move my camera to them because there was turkeys right behind the cedar tree. They're walking. There was hens and jakes, and a gobbler chased a jake right behind me. Well, another hen just walked that ridge, and the two followed her, so I had to spin around, and they walked right here.